How to insert GIFs and stickers on Samsung keyboard on your Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now open up the application that you would like to use, for example text messages, and then bring up the keyboard by tapping on the text field. After that, tap on the sticker icon on the keyboard here, and then you want to scroll across and you should be able to find where it says GIF. Tap on that. Then we go down and tap on continued. Okay, from here you can scroll across the different category to select a GIF image. So swipe across here, you can see there are a lot of different categories that you can choose from. You can also tap on the search button and search for a GIF image such as say birthday, and then tap on the search button. Here it will show you all the different GIF related to birthdays. So select an image that you would like to use, and once it is inserted you can then send a text message or add it to your note. If you want to use other stickers, you can do so as well. So simply swipe across here. There are different stickers and icons that you can use, or emojis. So you can insert different emojis, icons, or bitmojis. If you connect it to bitmojis, you can use bitmojis as well. And then you've got GIF and then Snapchat stickers, and then you got emojis. You can create emojis of yourself as well. So there are a lot of different options available for you to use. To go back to the keyboard, just tap on the keyboard icon here, and then you can start typing. Once you're happy, you can tap on the send button. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.